For in this module 5, basically we have been discussing with you got a manufacturing, different types of got a manufacturing of this one. For mechanical engineering, major effort in a manufacturing a product is the proper selection and you got application of a fabrication techniques such as machining, drilling, milling, and you got a forging, and you got a welding. That is nothing but any product to be manufactured in this one. The first thing is that proper selection and you got the application of a fabrication technique is important. None of the traditional fabrication techniques can be used in manufacturing MEMS and microsystem because of they have got a smaller size of a product. This one integrated nature in the manufacture of a MEMS microsystem products such as a microsensors, accelerometer, actuator. The technique used to produce this product are called as a micro machining and micro manufacturing. This one, that is nothing but none of the traditional technique that can be used for manufacturing of this one. That is nothing but the precise speed has to get to be maintained. This one, there are three types of micro machining: bulk manufacturing, Liga surface manufacturing, Liga process. Liga process in German term we are talking lithography, electroforming, and plastic molding. This one we'll go on to study one by one. This one. The first one is that we have bulk manufacturing, surface micro machining, and you got the Liga process. In this one, the first one, what is that you got a bulk manufacturing technique involves creating a 3D components by removing a metal from a thick substrate, using a primarily inching method. Inching, there are two types: dry inching and you got a wet inching is the principal technique used in the bulk micro manufacturing. Substrate that can be inched in the bulk manufacturing in a bulk micro manufacturing include silicon, gallium arsenide, and you got a special polymer. Wet inching involves the use of a chemical inchants. This one. And here dry inching uses the plasma to remove this one. Dry inching uses the plasma to remove the material at the desired location of the respective material. Basically we know this one, the plasma, there is nothing but you got a charged ions. This one. And here in this one, in the first figure, as you know, this one, the part of substrate that is not covered by a protective mask, is dissolved in the inchants and you got to remove this one. That is the thing, but you got the part of the substrate, respective substrate. That is nothing but here what I mean to say is that in this one, the inching involves the exposure of a substrate, that is covered by inchant protection mask to the chemical inchants, the substrate that is going to get to be covered by a protective mask. This one. In this figure 2, what is it you got? You just observe here. This one, what is it you got? The inching that can be undercut. The part is immediately under the protective mask. After lengthy period of time. Respective time. This one. Next one, what is it you got? Isotropic and you got and isotropic inching. This one. What do you mean by this? Isotropic and you got and isotropic. This one. Basically, in this one, for a substrate made up of you got a homogeneous and you got isotropic material, the chemical inchants will attack the material uniform in all directions. That is the thing, but the inchants will be attacked uniform in the all direction. The orientation independent inching is referred to isotropic inching. This one. Based on you got a orientation independent inching, we are called as isotropic, and with respect to orientation dependent inching we are called as anisotropic. This one. And here basically what is it about? The pure silicon crystals are not isotropic in their property due to non-uniform distribution of atoms at their interior. This one. Okay. And here such as anisotropic properties are represented by a distinct plane. That is the thing, but with respect to the orientation of the plane, that is going to get to be described. There are three planes are this one. There are three planes are going to get to be discussed: 100, 1100, 11. This one. 11 plane makes this angle, and which one plane is you got a, that is you got a homogeneous, that is preferred for you got a inching this one, that is mean because of for the inch easiest for the direction of inching this one. And here in this one what I got, next one what I got a respective got a dry inching this one. And here when the respective got a vapor, when the respective got a vapor is whose phase is coinciding this one, that is the thing, but whose phase is coinciding with this one, that is you got to expose for you got to inch this one, that is you got to expose for you got to inch this one. And here what is this one, with respect to this one, the what I got is in this one whose phase is you got to coinciding with this one, which plane is you got to coinciding with this one. With respect to that orientation, it is decides what that you got, at what rate you are going for you got inching, and then what that you got it will also decide what is got the evaluated temperature, that is the thing, but at what temperature you have to get to be go for the you have to go for the dissolving of your respective water material of the respective water substrate. And here the wet inchants, the next one what is it got a wet inchants for a silicon, and you got a silicon compounds. These are the respective got a chemical compounds that can be get to be used for this one, is going to get to be used for this one. The wet inchants, in a wet inchants what is it got, the respective got a material that can be used for this one. There are a number of you got inchants that can be used to do different substrate material this one. Among this one there are so many types of you got a components that can be get to be got used for this one. That is the thing, what you got a respective got a material will be there, and you got a inchants will be there, different types of you got a this one. Okay, the chemical this one they have been using this one. With respect to got a table they have been explaining this one. As I told this one, there are different types of ingredients that can be used with the different inchants this one. Different inchants can be used to use the different substrate material for the respective substrate material this one. And here the rate drops, and here harder to got a in this one. And here selectivity ratio of you got a inchant this one. What is the respective got a selective ratio of you got a inchant should be there this one. And here silicon compounds are much more stronger this one, are much stronger inching resistive material than you got a silicon. That is the thing, but you got a which here silicon compounds are much stronger inching resistive material than you got a silicon this one. That is the thing, silicon compounds. Okay, these material can be thus used as a mask for you got a inching of a silicon substrate, that can be used for you got a substrate this one. The selectivity ratio of this one what you got based on the inching rate of a silicon to the inching rate of a material this, that is nothing but you got a, it is a ratio of you got a this one, how much ratio of you got you have been using for this one. That is the thing, but it is all depends upon you got a respective got a mixture of you got a acids and you got a bases with respect you got a to the water this one, and also decides what type of substrate you have been using this one. Substrate you are using this one, silicon dioxide inchants as far as table this one. And here the basically this one, the according to the geometry there are three types of inching: ideal inching, under inching, and you got a under cutting into this one. And here one more important is that this timing and you got a agitated flow controller can affect the geometry of this one. That is the thing, but based on you got a respective got a mixture of your respective got a mixture of waters with respective got a inchants that can affect the respective got a geometry of you got a inched substrate this one, inched substrate this one.